In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a recovery email in Grammarly step by step so you can keep your account more secure and make it easier to recover access if you ever get locked out. This is a quick but important setting, especially if you use Grammarly often for writing, school, work, or content creation. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Then log into your Grammarly account. Once you're signed in, look at the left navigation sidebar and click on Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage important profile and security options. On the account settings page, look for the section labeled Recovery Email. When you find it, click Add. Grammarly will now open a small pop-up window asking you to enter your recovery email address. This should be a secondary email account that you have access to, so type it in carefully and make sure there are no spelling mistakes. After that, go to the inbox of the recovery email address you just entered. Grammarly will send a verification code to confirm that the email belongs to you. Open that message and copy the code. Then return to Grammarly and enter the verification code into the pop-up window. Once you submit the code, Grammarly will verify the address and complete the setup. After that, your recovery email will be added to your account, giving you an extra layer of protection and a better way to regain access if needed. And that's it. You've now successfully added a recovery email in Grammarly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.